Smoking has been a part of American culture for as long as we can remember. Whether it's in movies or TV shows, we have all been exposed to smoking from a very young age. Did you know that only 3 cigarettes a day can increase your blood sugar by 29%? And tobacco, a main ingredient in cigarettes, is the main cause of atherosclerosis. But what is atherosclerosis? Let's talk about the circulatory system. As you can see here, our blood cells pump easily through our arteries to bring nutrients to the parts of our body. With atherosclerosis, plaque will build up over time. Over time, this plaque will harden, narrowing your arteries, eliminating the flow of oxygen-rich blood to your organs and other parts of your body. Sadly, even if you never smoked a cigarette in your life, secondhand smoke can cause problems such as severe asthma attacks, respiratory infections, and ear infections. Still not convinced smoking is bad? Let's talk money. America's national average for 1 box of cigarettes is $6.16. Add that up to 1 box a day for a week, and you get $43.12. A month, $184.80. A year, $12,248.40. A decade, $22,484. Wouldn't you rather be spending money on Christmas presents, road trips, or even college tuition? You decide. Quit smoking now. Live happier and healthier. Visit qsn.net or call 1-888-456-QUIT.